Today we got a video from Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Indian Scammer Gets Tackled by Cop While Trying to Steal $65,000.
It felt good. It felt good. He literally hit the ground and goes, I will cooperate. I will cooperate. Okay.
I heard that.
Yeah.
I mean, they got him together.
To a local bank to talk to an elderly person that was scammed by foreign individuals into handing them large sums of money.
Okay.
She come up trying to get some cash. We've been working on trying to get her to give us some more information, and she finally did today. Do you want to just come in the front office?
I can.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
About a month ago, Cheryl wanted to move her IRA from Edward Jones to our bank.
Okay.
So I helped her do that. They kind of give us a little red flag that they felt that she was being scammed or there's some fraud going on. Within a week after transferring the IRA, she wanted to take about $50,000 in cash or ask some questions about cash. Wasn't forthcoming with any information for a week or two, and finally she come in and wanted a cashier's check for $100,000 that she wanted to take to another bank for a new account that she had just opened. She didn't want to discuss. She didn't want to discuss any information. We let her transfer that money, and now she's in here today to get some more cash, and we had a lot of questions for her in regards to that, and said that she was under an order not to talk to anybody. We told her that we're in training for scams, and she's given all the red flags that there's a scam going on. She's finally admitted to us that a gentleman came to her house and picked up a large amount of cash.
How much money did you give them?
$40,000.
Oh my. Do you remember exactly when this happened?
And originally when it started out at the end of June, it started with a guy calling me, and it just was also legit. Well, the first call I got was that my name had come up, that they were investigating money laundering. Under my name, $10,000 went UPS to an address in California.
Well, then she got a text, one of those fake UPS text alerts that said it hadn't been picked up or whatever. So then I guess Hamilton's been investigating that.
Officer Hamilton and Leanne down at UPS did some work on it, and supposedly the package had been returned to the Indianapolis UPS place. He said he was working on how to get the cash back to here.
Yeah.
I've heard nothing. So I don't know, is that a scam?
Yeah, most likely.
Well, whatever.
When she took the money out of here, she transferred it to Wood Forest, and we gave Wood Forest a heads up as well.
The scammers claimed that her financial accounts were in danger and that she could face criminal charges if she did not immediately withdraw her funds and provide it to them.
She told us back then that she was going to call me in 2 weeks and tell me everything, and I just need to rest assured everything was good. Tyler and I have been contemplating calling.
How many people have you seen in person?
In person, I've seen only the guy that picked up the money at my house on a Friday night, and I couldn't give a description of him because it was dark. The guy I'm talking to today, Alvaro, and then he has a...
That is the person that wants to meet you today?
No.
Who else, Cheryl, on your phone?
Do what?
Who else have you been talking to? You said there was a Ryan, and you had his number?
Ryan and Daniel. I started out with Ryan, and then Daniel took over, and then now this guy took over
And they presented themselves as law enforcement.
or presenting themselves as working for the government. They said that all the money that has been given so far, that I will get a cashier's check from the Treasury Department. These guys just kept telling me, do not talk to anybody about this investigation.
During the interview, the officers find that the woman was caught in a scam or turf war.
It was Ryan Patrick. He was the first one that told me to get $10,000 and ship it UPS to this.
And you've still been talking to these people then?
Not to Ryan, I haven't.
Ryan was the original person.
My instructions today from Alvaro was Daniel would call me, and I was to tell him that that I wasn't working with, that wasn't talking to him about anything, that you're not real, you're a scam, you're trying to scam me and everything, and hang up and not accept any calls from any place, any unknown calls that I don't know who they were.
Okay. Did Alvaro try to get money from you?
I'm supposed to pick up, this is embarrassing, $40,000 tomorrow at Wood Forest, which I won't now, and everything.
Okay, so the total amount that you're out is the original $10,000, and then the $40,000 that the person came to your house and picked up?
Right.
How much money are they supposed to be coming to pick up, and when are they supposed to be picking it up?
I'm supposed to let them know when I have, they already know I have 15,000. And I'm supposed to let them know.
At your house currently?
She has 10 that she picked up today from here in her purse.
And I got
she has
10,000 in my purse, and then they were supposed to pick up 40,000 tomorrow at Wood Forest, which now I won't. They were going to set up a contact to pick up the money like they did before. Have somebody come to the undercover agent pick it up.
So the 10 that you have now and the 15 you have at home.
It's 25.
Then you were going to get more from Wood Forest to make it into 65? Sorry, I don't work at a bank. Sorry.
And the part about them, he said that whenever this was all done, because I asked, he said they changed the last 4 digits of my social security number.
It doesn't happen.
Is that what they told you?
Yeah.
Your social security number is based on when you were born and things they can't change about you and where you were born.
The very next day, the cops set up a sting to catch the Indian scammer at the lady's house. The scammer arrives to pick up what he believes was going to be a box with $65,000 in cash inside. Instead, the authorities prepared a decoy box with no real money for the lady to hand to him.
Hello?
Now, before we continue, man, you see this stuff all the time. You know, scammers taking advantage of older people because there's technology out there nowadays, and things have been leaked, and you know, with the emerger of the internet and everything like that, and so much scams going on, there's ways for like scammers to like look at people's bank accounts, like maybe not know exactly the exact amount, but like know people that got a lot of money versus a little bit of money. And these guys, they do their research, they look up who it is, you know what I mean? And it's easier to scam older people than younger people. And then they'll send out these text messages on the phone or whatever, and they'll look real suspicious. Maybe you have seen one of these scam messages or whatever. And not all the time is it just about bank account information or anything like that, or UPS and stuff like that, where they're trying to get money out of you. But sometimes it's, you know, when you open these things, now they have access to, you know, your phone, and they can hijack like your passwords for different social medias and all that type of stuff. Like, it's so advanced nowadays that, you know, honestly, you feel like you're secure. You feel like you know, you have some protection or whatever, but if somebody want to find out information about you, they can find it out. You know, it's different levels of scams and all that stuff, you know, so just, all I can say is just be careful, man.
Yes, Miss Sherman?
Yes, I was outside. There's nobody out there.
No, I want you to talk with me while you are out so that I can guide you.
Oh, okay. Well, I have to get positioned here and hold my phone.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Now, just get out of your phone.
Okay, I'm gonna go out. I'm going out on my little
1 from 16, get ready to box him in.
Please get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Good tackle. Get his ass right.
Now! Hands on your back!
Piece of crap.
Shut it.
Yep. Scumbag piece of.
That's exactly how I would respond. You see how it's a piece of crap? Like, yo, that stuff pisses people off, man. You're ripping people off. You're scumbag piece of crap.
1 from 16, get ready to box him in.
Please get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Good tackle. Oh, good form.
Put your hands on your f***ing back! Now! Hands on your back! Now!
Sure.
Yep. F***ing scumbag piece of
I'm just a delivery guy. I will cooperate.
And he's not even the mastermind behind it. I bet you it's somebody else. It's the whole operation. He's a piece of shit.
You smoke him? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what he was gonna do.
Hold on, I'll let you know. That looks amazing smoke.
Really? Good.
Like form tackle. It was
Good.
amazing.
Good. That's us. Good form.
Yep. Yeah, you're good. You're good to get her in.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
We're gonna go.
Yep.
We'll get you.
He is arrested.
Let's get you
so,
inside. Her
yeah.
phone's still
Let's go inside.
Let's get you inside.
He keeps calling. Okay.
Yep. We'll get you inside. Get you sitting down. Get you relaxing. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
You did fine, sweet.
Yeah. No. Cheryl, you did good.
Something to drink and stuff. Okay.
Great guy.
Yeah, he's locked up in our
It felt good. It felt good. Yeah. He's in a squad car over here. Good. Good. He literally hit the ground and goes, I will cooperate. I will cooperate. Okay. I heard that. This is the most action this neighborhood's seen ever.
He's like,
Ever.
He's like,
Freaking scumbag. Start talking. Start snitching. Let's hear it.
Tried to go through your property to fill out one of our forms. I noticed you have a lot of bank cards and stuff for somebody that doesn't have a job. How do you explain the bank cards?
Oh, I used to have a job. I just quit last week.
Okay. But you said they weren't paying you very well.
Yeah,
And
that's
you
it.
have, I mean,
I only have one bank card, rest all is credit card, and they all are also maxed out. I need to
Okay.
pay them too.
like the platinum cards and the Quicksilver card and
Yes.
Capital One and PNC and, well, there's another platinum card in here somewhere. Where's it at? Platinum right there. So, I mean, if they weren't paying you very well, and now you don't have a job, like, how do you even get those? 'Cause you gotta do pretty well to get stuff like that.
Yeah, as I told you, I live with my family, so they also supported me too. But I still need to pay those cards too. They are all mixed out.
Okay. Were you born in the United States or in India?
India.
Yeah, that just, seems a little odd for me to have all this stuff and not know that you're going to help further this criminal act.
As if getting arrested wasn't bad enough, the suspect is forced to call his wife from the police station.
મને અરેસ્ટ કરી લીધો છે. હા. એમાં બીજે કઈ કરતા ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ કરે છે, ટ્રાન્સફર કરે છે. અમને ના પાડે છે એ લોકો. ખબર નહીં. મને બી નહીં ખબર.
The suspect was charged with felony theft by deception, a Class 2 felony. Police are still investigating the case and believe multiple people were involved with the scam. We should be reminded that government agencies like the U.S. Treasury won't call or email people to demand money to avoid arrest.
Yep. Freaking scumbag. So it seems like he's not an illegal, right? So that means, your parents or whatever, found a way for you to come here legally and try to do the right thing or whatever. And this is how this is what you do when you come to the States, man. What a disgrace. What a disgrace to your parents. What a disgrace to your family that worked hard and was able to get you over here the right way. And this is how you repay them. You freaking scumbag. He's a piece of dog shit. Honestly. Taking advantage of old people like that is crazy. And then his wife, why are they not allowing you to? Cause he's a scumbag and he's taking advantage of old people. That's why. Golly. Anyway. Awesome job, man. Cop, great form, great tackle. Amazing work. 5 out of 5, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think these officers did. And yeah, and I'll catch you in the next video.